A train traveled at one third of its usual speed and hence reached the destination 30 minutes after the scheduled time. On its return journey, the train initially traveled at its usual speed for 5 minutes but then stopped for 4 minutes for an emergency. The percentage by which the train must now increase its usual speed so as to reach the destination at the scheduled time is nearest to which of the following? Okay, so let usual speed be s. Now the train travels at one third of its usual speed, so that is s by 3. Now since the distance is constant, if usual time, if it is t, then time becomes 3t. So which means that 2t extra time is taken, which is given as 30 minutes. So t becomes equal to 15 minutes. This is the usual time. Now while returning, out of these 15 minutes, 5 minutes the train traveled at its usual speed. So remaining time would be equal to 10 minutes, which the train needs to travel at its usual speed. But stopped time due to emergency is given as 4 minutes. So therefore, time left to cover the remaining distance would be 10 minus 4, that is equal to 6 minutes. So the speed ratio would be, if I take the increased speed as s1, then s1 by s would be equal to 10 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 3, which is equal to 1.667. So the percentage increase would be 66.67%, which is equal to approximately equal to 67%. Option 1.